Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making something creative, lippan fridge magnets. So without wasting time, let's get started. So for that we are going to need a cardboard, anything you can use, and then we'll take something round, or you can also use compass to draw a circle. And then I'm drawing a rectangle as well. So after just drawing it, you can cut it out with the scissors. After cutting it, it's difficult to find the center if you did not make it with the compass. So here is a trick. Take a paper, fold it 4 times, and you can find the center of the circle easily. Now I'm taking Fevicryl molded clay, and we'll just have to mix both the compounds in the equal proportions. You can use any kind of talcum powder to mix them so that it will not be sticky. Make sure you mix it nicely, otherwise it won't work nice. Now I'm taking glue, and then you'll just have to take the clay and apply it like this. In the beginning it will be a little bit messy, but after you start once, it will be easy for you. Cutting it with the help of a cutter or knife. And I'm using all the basic things which everyone has. After sticking the clay, you can take the knife and make like this. I'll be doing same with the rectangle one. You can use any design or any design you like. This is just basic. Now we'll have to paint them. Let it dry for 2 to 3 hours, and then you can paint whichever color you like. Here I'm painting blue color, and for the rectangle one, pink one. Now I'm taking different size of mirrors and sticking it. You can also use MDF board. I'll not do the same pattern for the next one, something different. Once the mirrors are sticked and they are ready, you can just keep it for 2 to 3 minutes to dry, and then you can take your magnet and stick it with the hot glue. And yeah, the fridge magnets are ready.